structural integrity here is gone.
Oh, look how deep these pits go.
It's worse than we thought. The whole bow section needs replacing. Pump it again, slowly.
It's moving. Clear the mud from the shaft.
Hold it steady. Watch the line up there. Yeah. Cutting this thick one now. All right, lift it slow. Let's get these plates cleaned up first. Right, I'll get the wire brush. Grab the scraper too. All right, lift it steady. Chains are holding. Keep it coming up. Almost clear. This one's stuck. Give it a pull. Got it. Easing it out. Tray's ready. Set it down. This rib is pretty corroded. Keep brushing. Got it. This scraper is helping. This side is clearing up. Cutting the left seam now. Sparks are flying high. Right side is clean. This one's seized bad. Get the bushing ready. Greasing it now. This gear is shot. Pulling it. I'll clean the chamber. It's full of sludge. Okay, new gear is aligned. Tightening now. Okay, pulling the new cable through. Got it. Securing the conduit now. Looks good. Next section. Hold the bracket steady. Got it. Next one. Polishing this side. Looks good. Almost done. All right, clamps tight. Let's get it under the press. Ready. On 3. Good pressure. Hold it. These hull plates are ready. Good. Steering rods are aligned. Let's get them grouped. All right, lifting the first plate. Got it. Steady. Aligning now. Push. Looks good. Next one. Okay, line it up with the stern hull. Got it. Pushing now. Flanges aligned. Good. Bolting the housing. Mount secure. Easy now. Keep it level. Aligning with the mounts. Lowering steady. That's it. Lock it in. All right, lift on 3. Ready. 1, 2, 3. Good. Now torque it down. Hold the bracket steady while I torque this bolt. Got it. This side is aligned. Good. Now check the base for level. Left bracket tight. Check seals. Right one set. Pressure test next. Pipes are good. We're secure. Hold it steady. It's secure. Same on the stern. Ready. Hold it steady there. Chain's coming up. Aligning the bracket now. Bolts tight. Secure it. Easy on the chains. Keep it level. Aligning the rudder. Watch the trailer. Good. Ease it down. Almost there. Steady. Push together. Keep it straight. Watch the edge. Almost there. Into the water. Engine's green. Full ahead. Copy. Course steady. Watch the swells. Good run.